Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing VO3 versus Kling AI. So if you don't know what these two are, VO3 AI is Google's premium AI video generator with realistic visuals, plus synced audio, and dialogue ambient sound, and supports outputs of 1080 plus clips. Kling AI, on the other hand, is a free AI tool for text to video up to 2 minutes in 1080p, no audio, but good motion and creativity. Now, the pros and cons of each is that VO3 has high realism and has audio plus voice sync. Now, the cons of it is that it is paid, which is $249 per month, and it is still not perfect. While Kling AI, on the other hand, is free and has easy access and has creative motion. Now, the cons of it is that it has no sound and has visual glitches. So, which one is right for you? So, you should choose VO3 for best realism plus audio if you can pay, and go for Kling AI for good free creative videos and silent, less refined videos. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.